and in a period of 30 days, there was everything that was taking place, and that was geared towards producing a report to justify and prove why this is a very good deal. Who delivered that report, and when did they deliver it? And how did they deliver it? There's a reason why I'm asking that question.
If we really needed an airport, if you receive that today, it would be also...
I'm looking at the documents you gave me. You are the one who gave me the document.
Point of order, Chair. I think the CS should give us, should respect our intelligence. We're not talking some nursery school kids. Respect our intelligence and address us as adults and address us as senators of the Republic of Kenya.
Are you addressing Chirchir or addressing the chair?
When a question is directed to you, just be direct to the point, and to avoid, you know, and answer. If you know the answer, I say I do. If you don't, we are lenient as a committee. We can always read between the lines. So kindly, and also it's also good for us to know that we are governed by the standing orders. And I'm really withholding, you know, invoking some of the standing orders, like standing order 105, which is a statement of facts whenever we are interacting with this department or with this issue. So let's restrain ourselves to the issue at hand. Sure. By so doing, we'll be able to get answers. And that's why, initially when we started, remember we were giving every senator about 3 minutes, so that you ask your questions and you get a response. So the moment you bring this kind of interaction, you will have point of orders, and we might lose the points that